Okay, let's tour the Intro to Digital Technology AB course. If you look at the top of your course, you're going to find that this is your home button of course, and this is the name of the course. This is where, if you see this icon with a dot beside it, that means that there's a news item on here. Okay, scrolling down here, this is the name of the course and the bulletin board, and the bulletin board will be more interesting later on, I promise. Here is news announcements. You want to keep up. Every time you log in, you want to look for news announcements. This is particularly the announcement for the assignments that are due on August 28th. And your welcome link, and you can click on this to see all news announcements, okay? These are important to hold on to because I put content information in there and other useful information for you on the news announcements. So just don't dismiss it. Just, in other words, don't delete it. Okay, teacher information. Here, you can see all my information, the sessions, the time of availability, not Tuesdays, because Tuesdays are pretty darn busy for me. But the other days of the week are fine. You can see my welcome message here. The syllabi for the courses are here. The student success site is a very useful set of information for you. It has a lot of things such as how to get through, start, how to register, go through a round, and the sequence of events. Look at all this stuff on useful information on the left here, okay? The student acknowledgement form. Let's get this thing in, folks. Get it printed off, get it signed, and submit it into the Dropbox, please. And here's a link to the synchronous sessions, okay? You'll be able to get to your email from here. All right, now looking at these items here, let's look at the course materials first. You come up here. The checklist is just all the assignments that you have. Class list is people in the class, the content. Glossary and locker really don't have very much, so you go to content. And you're coming over here to the table of contents. This is an online book, essentially. These are all the chapters. And you're going to navigate through this to get through the course, okay? And so the table of contents here, you click on that, and this shows you all. There's several different ways of getting around. You just click on the table of contents, and it shows you each of the sections within each module, including the assignments are on here, okay? So there's that. Student resources, student success site is here, we've already gone to. Student handbook is important for you to know the rules of the road. This has to do with all the policies, Georgia Virtual. Other resources are the, this allows you to sign in and get the, the course catalog, okay? Now let's take a look at, see here, one more thing. And then links will take you to links, but I don't have any up there right now, that I post. By the time you do this, there will be some links for you, okay? Excuse me. All right, now let's go to the assignments and go through this. You're going to be spending a lot of time on content and on the assessments. First thing is discussions. You're going to click on that. The guidelines for discussions are here, and you need to respond to two others, use full sentences. The introduce yourself discussion, all you have to do is just click on it, excuse me, and you can see others in this situation who have responded. You would start a new thread and name it and then write. And you'll see what the topics are and the questions that you need to answer. This is it. This is what they're looking for. Let's say, online safety and digital citizenship. This is what you're supposed to do. hardware and software, and you're finding this within the course content too. Okay. Okay, that's discussions. A Dropbox is where you will be turning in assignments. It's a folder that you will have where you'll be turning in your items, okay? And each one of these little things is a folder, so it's a directory of all your assignments that you've turned in. This is required place to turn things in. I cannot accept things on email, as what was mentioned in the overall course presentation. So basically what you would do is you click on the item and you have the submit assignment. You will add a file, record a video, or whatever. You know, put comments for me either down here or record audio or video, okay? And then once you've added the file, you submit. Key point is save the file before you upload it, because it's only going to upload what's been saved, not what you have on your desktop right now. Okay? Excuse me. All right, so that would be Dropbox, grades. Well, let's skip that for a second. Go to quizzes. You will have all of these tests and quizzes in this course. So these are timed one-shot deals. Okay? So whenever you're ready to take it, you take it. Don't start it until you're ready. They're multiple choice. All right, the last thing I wanted to show you specifically was grades. And how do you see if something's been graded? You just come back here and look at the assignment. Let's say you submitted a discussion. I can't pull anything up because I'm not a registered student. Okay. But you click on each one of these and there will be some feedback. You will be able to click a link and there's comments that I place for you on the assignment as well as the grade. Okay. So that's pretty much how the course looks. You can see the course materials, take a look at the content, or what we're covering in this class. It's a very comprehensive class. Of course, this is a 2-semester class. Okay. Obviously, there's a CTAE stuff in the beginning, FBLA stuff. Okay, now you get into safety, online safety and digital citizenship, emerging and future technologies, which is always fun, hardware and software components, which is where you're getting into the meat of how to take care of things and understanding what they are, problem solving, and a little bit of game development. There you go. You get to play a little bit and create something with visual programming too, doing Scratch and Alice. And then we're getting back to some of the soft stuff as careers, and then getting into information technology. And once again, FBLA items, operating systems and binary code, soft skills, customer service, networking basics. Okay. Online resources, web design, ethics and cybersecurity is a very important topic. And then the last is information technology is part 2, and then your final exam. So this is your course for Information Technology AB. Please contact me as you have questions. Thank you.